Brandon here, just working on this 2007 Chevy Uplander again. Still complaining about a bunch of noise.
You might watch it and say, "Ooh."
So basically I've done it, I've changed out the tie rods, I've changed out the extensions, I've changed out the bushings on it. The lower control arm looked a little worn out the last time I had it apart. So we're gonna do that. So basically you wanna jack the car up again. And if you look right here on the subframe, you want to put some kind of jack stand under that, because right there, I guess I could put it on that side, bolts, or does this one bolt up into the frame? No, it doesn't.
No,
it doesn't, see?
Yeah, it's just a
so this one's good.
Separate thing that's onto the frame.
So on some occasions you'll have to put a jack under the subframe because the control arms are bolted directly to the frame, and if you don't support it, then it can shift and then you can't get the bolt back in. But now that I'm looking at this one, it's just directly attached to the subframe. So this one's actually a lot easier and safer to do. You don't have to worry about the body shifting, whereas on some vehicles you do. So what we have to do here is take this tie rod off, and then there's a bolt here, a bolt over there, and the bolt for the lower part here. So that's what I'm going to tackle right now. So we got this bolt, and the one directly under there that ties into the spindle. So I'm going to take those off. Alright, so we got the old swing arm out. I'm not going to lie, it was a freaking pain in the ass. And that's the new one there. So this bolt under here is ridiculous, and then there's not much clearance because the drive shaft is in the way. But we got it off, and now we're just taking the clips off for the wiring. I believe it's for the ABS, probably. It's going into the hub. So get those clips off, smash the other one in there. Okay, so I didn't fully videotape installing it because it's kind of a two-hand job. But basically the first part that I put in is this side. So you put that in, put the bolt and the nut through, and then put this side in, and then this side till last. And then you just tighten everything up, and you got to kind of wiggle it around and get it in there. You got to take these clips off, the old one. And actually it went in pretty easily. A lot easier, went in a lot easier than it came out. So we're gonna put the tire back on, and now I'll get on to the other side. Okay, so we're gonna show you, what the heck? Something in there. Huh. Something in there. Yeah. And now it's stuck. Okay, so I meant to take a video of putting that lower control arm in, but I accidentally pushed the wrong button and it wasn't recording. But we're all done now. You know, it's pretty easy. You just gotta take your time. Try not to strip any nuts because it's really hard to cut them off if you do that. And just take your time, and it's not that hard. It's actually a fairly easy vehicle. I've done ones that are a lot harder than that. So yeah, just take your time and good luck.